Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. So today we're going to show you all how I do my curry chicken. I have my chicken here washed and clean. You know, I like to wash my chicken with lime juice, fresh lime juice, and rinse under running water. We're going to season your chicken first, put the marinade for at least 4 hours, and then make our curry mix that we will use to Chunkay. Right, so we're going to start with the Chadon Beni, pimento, garlic, black pepper, salt to taste, curry powder, right, and we mix and allow to marinate for at least 4 hours, and just to get all the curry flavors marinated in the chicken and all the other seasonings that we used. Right, now we're going to do our mix. I like to soak my curry before I Chunkay. So we're going to make our mix to Chunkay, which is curry powder, saffron, garlic, cloves or garlic. I like to eat the garlic whole. So there's 4 cloves and oil. Water. And finally our pimento. Mix. What this does is kind of rehydrate the curry powder. It makes it less grainy when cooking. So now that our chicken is marinated, our ingredients are our Chunkay and of course our habanero hot pepper, we're going to start to make our curry chicken. We had the preheated pot here. We're going to add our ingredients to Chunkay, our Chunkay mix, Sauté mix for all who don't know what Chunkay means. So we allow the mix to cook for about a minute because we would have already hydrated the curry powder, so it wouldn't be that grainy. Right, we add our chicken. I prefer to not add any water, any liquid to the meat as yet. I like to allow the meat to spring its own natural liquid. So we add our habanero pepper. We cover and we allow it to cook for 15 minutes. So now we had our curry chicken cooking for 15 minutes. We're going to uncover, give a stir. At this point, we check the liquid in it to see if we need it, to see if we need any. We need a little bit. You always try to add a little bit of liquid at a time. You don't want to add too much because one, you don't want the chicken to break up too much, and you don't want the chicken to boil versus cooking in its own juices, you know. So we add a little liquid. We're going to cover again and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. And then come back.